All right, today we're going to show you how to clean a patio door. To clean the interior, you can just spray the glass using whatever window cleaner of your choice. You can wipe down the interior. Once you have everything on the interior wiped down, you can then open your door, walk outside, and now you're able to clean the exterior of the glass. One thing that I do recommend doing for the patio door track is make sure that it's free of debris. One thing that you don't want to do is spray this track with WD-40. For some reason, WD-40 acts like a magnet, and you'll get a bunch of gunk built up along this track, and then it'll bind up on your wheels. You can wipe this track down, take a shop vac, clean it out. One thing that I do like to do is spray this track with silicone spray. If you don't have silicone spray, you can use something like a Pledge, which is a furniture polish. It has a silicone base and it's not going to collect a bunch of gunk. By doing so, when you spray this track and you're operating the sash, it actually lubes your wheels and helps it slide freely.